throw it over there.
Feed the birds.
Hmm? What?
Parker, what are you doing?
I just put it like this.
I know, but what are you doing?
Because,
Because what?
but,
Are you feeding what?
a bird.
Feeding the birds?
Yeah.
Here, come over here. Take it, would you? Hold both your hands out like this. Put them together. Okay. Drop it. Hold on to it. Okay. Come over here. Just drop it right along here. There you go. Good. That's right. And you know what? The birds can hear it.
They're going to eat it.
They are going to eat it.
Yep.
Yep, they will. Okay.
Let's go feed them. Whoa,
Okay.
just a dog in there.
Huh?
A dog.
Oh, a Nerf dart.
Yeah, it's a Nerf dart.
It's one of Seth's.
That's one of Seth's. Hey.
I'm going to jump.
Huh?
I'm going to jump.
He's gonna jump.
Jump. Ah. Hmm? Okay, hold on. Here. Let's see how good you are at feeding the birds. Can you do this? Can you do that?
Yep.
Good. Oh, get your glove out of the way.
Let's see, Parker.
Okay.
Here.
I'm going to jump.
Some along here. Okay. Let me see you do it.
Yep.
Good job.
Good.
Good job.
Good, you did it.
Yeah.
Let's do some.